Third problem, find the ratio in which the line joining the points minus 3 comma 10 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. This is the line joining A B divided by the point, which point, minus 1 comma, this is the P, minus 1 comma 6, this is the divided the point ratio m1 is to m2. Before already find P already given ratio line joining the points AB given. Find the coordinates of the point, find P. Now AB given, P also given, P divided the point to minus 1 comma 6. Find the ratio m1 is to m2. Find required ratio m1 is to m2. This is the find. Given points, already given point, line joining points A minus 3 comma 10, B 6 comma minus 8, x1 y1 x2 y2, divided by the point which this point divided minus 1 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 6 divides the line segment AB bar. In the ratio m1 is to m2. This is the take m1 m2 ratio internally. Formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the formula. Substitute the values. xy plus this is the minus 1 comma 6. This is the minus 1 comma 6. Next minus 1 comma 6. This is given. Before find, this is given now. m1 x1 by 1 minus 3 comma 10 x1 by 1, x2 by 2 minus 6 comma minus 8. This is the x1. This is the x1 by 1, x2 by 2. Substitute the values. m1 same m1 x2 6 plus m2 ne x1 minus 3 by m1 plus m2, m1 m1 by 2, this is the minus 8 plus m2 ne by 1, this is the 10 by m1 plus m2. This is simplification. This is done. 6 into m1 6 m1 plus into minus, bracket means into, plus into minus 3 m2 by m1 plus m2. Next minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2. This is the condition. Corresponding terms, comparing corresponding terms, first term, second term. Write one formula. If x comma y equal to a comma b, then x is equal to a comma y equal to b. This is the condition. If x comma, suppose anyone, x comma y equal to, this is the a, this is the b, x comma y equal to a comma b, then first term first coordinate equal, second coordinate equal. This is the condition. X is equal to a, y equal to b. This is the condition. First corresponding terms, first x coordinate minus 1, first x coordinate 6 m1 minus 3 m2 by m1 plus m2. First term equal. Second term minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 by m1 plus m2 equal to 6. First one, second one equal. 6 m1 minus 3 m2, m1 into minus 1. This is the multiplication. Minus 1 into m1 minus m1, minus 1 into m2 minus m2, minus 1 into m1 minus m1, or take this one, 6m1 minus 3m2 equal to minus 1 into m1 plus m2. This is also correct. Minus 1 into m1 minus m1, minus 1 into m2 minus m2. Next, 6m1, m1s are one side, m1s are transfer one side, RHS to LHS. m1s are one side, minus m1 plus m1. Next, minus m2s are one side, minus 3m2 becomes plus 3m2 minus m2, 6m1 plus m1, 7m1, 3m2 minus 1m2, 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2m2, 7. Next, m1 by m1 is to m2 means m1 by m2, m1 by m2, m1 into becomes by, this is the into becomes by 2 by 7. m1 is to m2 equal to m1 is to m2 equal to 2 is to 7. This is the answer. m1 is to m2 equal to, this is the ratio, required ratio. And second one, take minus 8m1 plus 10m2 equal to 6 into m1, 6m1. Second one, this is the second one. Any one take 6m1, 6 into m2, 6m2. Next one, m1s are one side, minus 8m1 plus becomes minus, this is the plus becomes minus, minus 8 minus 6 minus 14m1, 6m2 minus 10m2 minus 4m2 minus minus cancel, m1 by m2, m2 shifted into becomes by m1 by m2, 4 into 14 by 14, 4 by 14, 2 2s 2 7s, m1 by m2 equal to 2 is to 7, m1 is to m2 equal to 2 is to 7. This is the answer. This is the required ratio equal to 2 is to 7.